Hi everyone, welcome back to the Whois Data Center channel, your go-to source for all things related to Whois Data. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. In today's video, we're going to dive into something incredibly useful for developers and businesses alike, the Whois Data API. We'll cover what it is, how it works, and why you might want to integrate it into your applications or services. So what exactly is the Whois Data API? Well, it's an API service that allows you to query Whois Data programmatically. Instead of manually searching for domain information, you can automate the process and get comprehensive data about any registered domain. You can start with a 3-day free trial of our Whois Data API. Just click on Free Trial and fill in your required details: name, email, phone number, and card details. I won't go through the sign-up process because I already have an account. After signing up, you'll receive your login credentials via email. Once you have those, click on your profile and use your login credentials to create a new password. Then, you'll see the dashboard with your API key ready for use. For using the API, you can refer to our comprehensive API documentation. Let's walk through a simple example using Postman. I already have Postman open here. First, copy the API URL from the documentation and paste it into Postman. Then, copy the syntax and paste it here as well. For this demo, we'll use the domain example.com. Enter your API key, and you'll see the latest record for example.com. We have a total of 6 records for example.com, and you can also download it from here. First, select the file form, and then click here to download it. I think it is quite easy. Have a look at our API documentation, which is dedicated and thorough. Here's a quick overview. Introduction: start here to get an overview of what the API can do. Pricing for credits: check out our free credits and our one-time, monthly, and annual pricing plans. Pricing for feeds: learn about the costs for different database feeds like newly registered, expiring, email proxy removed, and phone proxy removed Whois databases. Error handling: understand why certain errors occur and how to resolve them. Data format: see the formats in which you can receive or download data. Rate limit: learn about the number of requests you can perform per minute. Domain lookup API: explore the various types of requests you can perform using our API. Today we just covered the latest domain update lookups. We cover other Whois API requests and make dedicated playlists for Whois API. You can access our API in multiple programming languages, including Python, Bash, PHP, Node.js, JavaScript, Java, Ruby, C, Go, Swift. In the next video, we will cover additional requests you can perform with our API, such as phone reverse lookup API, email reverse lookup API, name reverse lookup API, company reverse lookup API, keyword reverse lookup API, free domains API, newly registered domains API, expiring feeds API, proxy removed API. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. See you next time.